근데 student of five sung tini sini travel welfare ni director malai na khakya so tini five angke sini stipend scholarship problem ni bagi sung phale mani angke sung bigato 3 din dore 3 days dore sung oro tini phale tonglayo sini student of bike depriving za obonoti and sini director malai ke bosaw nor deprive tang di hinai ketak main inke borok sai rohoro kabang student total 23,000 above 24 something over high 24,000 something student tapsu jorate scholarship manya ko over hinsa terus rok pemain nang zaman
ke borok saw within 1 month bisingo borok try khaine hinsa tai ko try khai tong hinsa tai ke borok saw te kisa sini oro department hoite mane tribal welfare department hoite sini officer sing roha kam karon sini all lockdown ni karone sing daily rohor me yangi tong kha abok saw fresh student jara scholarship ni 11,625 jona tapsu jorati borok aboniti pending lai tong kha ke daily wo borok tabuk jorati demand khai tongo direct ni ko 28 crore oba hai kai borok package sanction hoi tong ta ke tini te kisa box gajar gramin bank ni jar problem ngi tongai ro gramin bank ni problem ngi tongai rong ke 750 borok report dikha 750 o borok tini chairman gramin bank ni chairman borok letter already hokain sawo ke aron bisingo jara gramin bank ni problem tongai ro clarification ng thangan in sawo ke te kisa sawo website abo jo tori rizana gramin bank wain sa data saya
one month bising mai kena roko sedang kesawar dekena
one month bising mai ke sung amo decision klaine sung motor sawapon thangai mano ke te kisa sini joint director sini sir joint director sir s send ni bini phone number sung tui feke sung jotono student nangri rona bo by final next week ni monday wo bo by contact id hin sawta ani bung ke sushant department
kono motor identify na student
ha
tini o jaga family ra student identify na kono motor ide
sung kuno organization hoite sung student only student hoite sung file